Muslim entrepreneurs, building bridges across faiths. In a world often divided by misunderstanding, a group of Muslim entrepreneurs is leading a powerful movement for unity. Through creativity and innovation, they're building platforms where different faiths can connect, share stories, and foster mutual respect. Their mission: to turn differences into shared strengths. These changemakers are crafting spaces where people from all walks of life can engage in meaningful dialogue. From technology to media, their solutions amplify empathy and collaboration. Each initiative is a step toward breaking down walls of prejudice and creating a world rooted in understanding. Their work transcends business. It's a call to humanity. By promoting honest conversations and celebrating common values, they leave behind enduring legacies of kindness and coexistence. They remind us all of the power we have to make a positive impact on global harmony. Join their mission. Celebrate diversity, spread kindness, and share this video to inspire others. Together, we can amplify the voices, shaping a brighter, united future for all faiths and cultures. Be part of the change today, because unity starts with you.